Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the new update on AMP token. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that AMP token first broke out a very big falling wedge pattern on a 7 days time frame chart, and after that, it is now recently stuck inside in another bullish bias pattern, and that is a down channel. This was one of those videos, and now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that this was the breakout that I've been showing you in my previous videos, and you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice pump from this low to here. You can see that it was more than 1550%, very massive pump, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of 2.5 cents, and after that it is stuck inside this channel that is, by the way, more visible on the daily time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several days the price is moving inside this channel, and recently it is once again rejected by the resistance of the channel. At the same time, the price line is also rejected by this long-term resistance of 4.5 cents as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you my most recent trade signal for AMP token that I shared with my members on 18th of August 2024. And this move produced almost 32% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for AMP token that I shared on 18th of August 2024 with my members. And this was a harmonic bullish reverse regardless pattern that AMP token formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, a buying zone and sell target zone, and below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 32% pump. And before that, we caught almost 625%, very massive pump. And that was another harmonic bullish reverse regardless pattern that AMP token formed on the daily time frame chart. And I shared this trade signal on 26th of January 2024 with my members. And this was the complete trade setup: a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And by the way, this move was formed on the daily time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 625%. Very massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me take you to the live chart of AMP token. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this channel. You can see we entered the channel here on 17th of March when we got rejection here. Then we had a bounce here, rejection, another rejection here. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here. And now recently, the price is once again rejected by the resistance of the channel. At the same time, it is also rejected by this long-term resistance of 4.5 cents as well. If you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here it is more visible. You can see that this 4.5 cents has been previously working as a support here and a support here, resistance here for a few weeks, and here almost for 1 or 2 weeks it had been working as support. And now recently you can see that after the breakdown, it is once again flipped into a resistance, and after the rejection, the pricing is moving towards the support of the channel. Before the support of the channel, we will have another quite long-term support here. By the way, this is not at 4.5 cents. This is at $0.0045, less than half cents. And now it is moving towards the support that is here at $0.003. And if the price then breaks it down, then it can test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $0.0023. And in case of breaking out this channel, because this is a bullish bias pattern, therefore eventually the pricing can break out the resistance of the channel rather than breaking down the support. And the technical target for the breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 1.2 cents. And if the pricing reaches there, then we can also break out this resistance of 4.5 cents and this long-term resistance of not 4.5 cents, at $0.0045. And then we can also hit this resistance or break out this resistance of $0.0079 as well, approximately at $0.008. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance of $0.0079 has been previously breaking as a resistance here. And for a few weeks, it had been working as a support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance. Now, if you take a look at the final target for this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, then that target can be here at the top of this wedge. That can be somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.